Hi guys, it's your girl Denita, Toot615 here to do a quick video. I haven't talked to you guys in about 3 weeks because I'm always trying to find the right time, right lighting, right atmosphere, and I just said I'll just go ahead and video in my favorite spot, my favorite location, which is my bedroom. So yeah, I hope you don't mind a different background. But anyway, Happy New Year to you all. I have a few notes here on what I wanted to talk about today, and I just want to discuss a little bit about my plans for 2020. I'm entitling it the year of aggressively paying off debt while also saving. What I plan to do to accomplish that goal is to cut back drastically on eating out. I filmed me doing a meal prep. I've been watching some ladies on different channels that do meal preps for their big family of 10, things like that. But I took it and divided it down to meals for one person, or if my family comes over, I can use those. So I filmed it. I've started editing it, but I don't know if I'm going to put it up or not. So let me know if you'd like to see that. Just leave a comment in the comments below to let me know if you'd like to see how I meal prepped and made lasagna and cut it up to servings and froze it, as well as a breakfast casserole and things like that. So just let me know if you're interested in seeing that. Other ways I'm going to aggressively pay off debt while saving money. I'll cut out unnecessary spending. I'll eat what's in the house, so that means I'll need to plan my grocery shopping. Because I sometimes like a variety of foods, that I may be in the mood for something one day and then something completely different the next day. I'm going to try to start shopping for the month and have a variety of things. Now, my freezer space is limited to a regular refrigerator and freezer, so I'll have to keep that in mind. So, but I'll try that and see how that works out, and then I'll just make the proper adjustments. And then another thing is I'm gonna stop buying things on a whim or just because. I may be in a store to purchase household products, toilet tissue, paper towels, things like that, and I may see something that is on just what is it, ads on TV, and think, oh, let me try that. I'm gonna start cutting that out. If I don't need it, I'm not gonna buy it. One good thing I did today was I paid off my car. Yay! A few months early. My next goal is to have a very big down payment if I don't have enough money saved to buy the car outright. If not, I'll have a good size down payment and try to pay the car off early to cut out paying all that interest. The interest I paid on the vehicle I have now, I paid double what the car was worth. I know that. I knew that at the time, but it's been a situation that I was in, being a single parent, all the years that I was a single parent. My kids are grown now, but just having that mentality of having a car note, but they are really eating us up with that interest. So my goal is to keep the car I have it as a second car, and give me another car when I have the money saved up, or again when I have enough of a big down payment so that I can get that car paid off in a short period of time. And then another goal that I have, and I'll be reaching this goal within the next few days, is paying down the one main credit card that I have, paying it down to below 30% or even less. So I'm on the road to paying off debt, paying down debt, and still getting my savings account up. My savings account is at a good, I won't say a good spot, but it's okay. I mean, you know, I'm okay, and I want to keep building on it to make it, you know, even more. I mean, I should have been saving all these years. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. This was my year to really start being aggressive and being serious about it and getting that savings up to where I'm at least 6 months of my monthly expenses, have that in savings. So that's my goal right now, guys. I'm serious about it. I did purchase me an Apple Watch, but one of the reasons I got it was I'm getting serious about my weight loss, eating healthy, which I pretty much always, for the most part, was conscious of what I ate, but I need to get more serious about that. So I'm using my watch for my exercise, keeping up with the exercise, keeping up with my heart rate. It does not keep up with my blood pressure, so I'll have to continue to use my own blood pressure machine and keep records of that. But that was one of the splurges that I purchased. But my reasoning too was I opened a Redstone credit union account back in the summer, and their incentive was to open the account, keep it open for 3 months, and they'll give you $440. So I used that money to get this watch and also get me a Roomba. And my Roomba review is on my other channel, Denita Albert-Wade. If you want to check that out, feel free to do that. As well, guys, I did want to ask you guys to please subscribe to this channel. Give me some likes, give me some comments, give me some shares, guys. I want to really get this channel going with life things, like for instance with the savings, with the my other video that I did with the vision board. I haven't done a vision board video to show you my new vision board, and I may not do that. What I may do is just do one at the end of the year to see what things came into fruition. So I may do that, because the other video I have lets you guys know what all happened, what all came to pass for the 2018-2019 vision board that I did. So check that one out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed talking to you today. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about my year of aggressively paying off debt while saving. I'll talk to you later, guys. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye-bye.